Hello, good morning everyone. Market open and usual drop because Trump was talking about bombing Iran again. Let's have a look. Lots of price action happening during the Trump news right before the core PPI. Now this is I got before there's a lot of sellers try to sell the news and got trapped and price heading back up, and then here we see a lot of sellers step in again, so the buyers cannot push price further and got stuck in the range, and then now market open, it dropped one more time, take out these buyers at here, price went below the VWAP, almost the value area low, so we really need to see on the previous section, which is the overnight section, there's some buyings happening here, so we want to see how price is going to react at this level. Also, we got this naked, it used to be a naked weekly value area low. This was the level that got attacked during last Friday. With the big rotation, the tech rotation drop, and that wasn't a, like I said before, it wasn't a AI bubble burst. It's not a market crash. It's just big money rotating their money and looking to hop into the SpaceX IPO. So we should continue to see some rotation today, because since Monday we see a lot of aggressive buy during the market open and then sell off for the rest of the day. This is the technical, get everybody hype up, trap all the buyers, and then just sell off. They're rotating the money to out of the big names, and then ready to get into the SpaceX. I usually will wait until like 10-ish, let things settle. Now back to this level, Nasdaq. Look at the footprint. Some aggressive selling here. These price action are below VWAP. Some buyers got trapped here, like big bubbles. For long, as we can see, we got some seller traders trap here. Ideal setup will be closing back above here, but need to watch out this large delta. Once you can find ground above this level, should be looking to attack these, otherwise price will be pinned below the New York Midnight Open and continue to go lower. And we can see, so for short, what we need to see price revisit this level and see some more buyers got trapped before we can decide to go short. These are the left. This is the level that pushed this leg down, so this will be the level the seller want to defend, and we need to wait. We don't want to get in here because price can just fail at the value area low and then do a mean reversal, pull back towards the point of control. So some big bubbles at the bottom, some absorption happening here. Back inside the range now. And we don't buy here, because if you buy here, there's some chance a seller want to sell again at this level, so it's not a high probability. You really want to see some more clean action above this level. But once, if even you are long from here, price will face the next level with a lot of sellers, so there also be a chance that price hit this level and getting rejected and then sort of go sideways, depending how the buyers and sellers are, who's stronger, and then break the balance and then go either way. Now rejected right at the value area low. Some aggressive buyers coming in, try to push it. Aggressive seller, try to defend in this level. Point of control, VWAP. Oops. Okay, price is pushed through the sellers. We want to see some closure. Candle close. Nice close here. If price retest here, New York Midnight Open, previous day value area low. It's a nice reversal, very strong. Okay, now this is a good sign, very strong. Something, I think maybe news or something, because Trump is speaking at the moment. So if we say something about he wants to make a deal or something like that, then it will make the market react. Because I read that somewhere he said he want to make a deal, so I'm not sure. It's a good sign. Still waiting for more. This one has to close above these sellers. I don't want to see a wick coming back down, meaning there's some passive seller here. Now basically these aggressive sellers are trap all these sellers, but depending, as I said here, there may be, even though there's a no low volume note here, there's still one more, and if you're long here, your stop will be very wide all the way back down here. So we will wait for retracement. I want, if I want to long, I want to stop below this boys here. Nasdaq 368. Look at that. Crazy. For Nasdaq, this is huge size. This is crazy. Nasdaq is crazy. Okay, so Nasdaq is much stronger. Now this is the level. The next level will be here. Aggressive coming back down. It's a low volume note. $500. Here we go. I want to see price cut through here. I want to come back, snap it down, I'll close it. Should be able to hold this. One more push above these guys. Nice push. Previous day POC is very close. May get a rejection here, so very hard to say. Need to push. Moving, trailing my stop. Want to see some push? No. Okay. Oh. Got one nice scalp. It will continue. See that? Because that is a key level, the previous day point control. So yesterday a lot of interest at this level, and they also sellers during the pre-market. So you will see some action here, back and forth maybe, unless price just went completely through here, closing above, and these guys will be forced to buy and send price even higher. Nice. Nasdaq must be ripping. Yep. So this one pretty easy, this long, which is as long as you see a big commitment from the buyers and confirmation for these big trades, and annihilated all these sellers. So these sellers has to join the party, forcing them to buy, and then we'll push price higher like this. And now it's not a close, it's just a wick. Without a close, there's a wick. It can spend some time here. See that aggressive sellers stepping in now. They want to push it back down because these guys were selling here. They want to sell again. These bad boys here, we long with them. So buyers got trapped right at the top of the candle. Let's see if they can still win the battle. Yes. So now you don't want to see price coming back below these guys. If buyers are really dominating the price, then this will be a wick and then move away again. But as I said, this is not a nice closing. It's just a wick, so anything can happen here. Let's have a look. because some low volume note here, some low volume note here, so price can get back right at these pockets, filling up these pockets. We visit this level. Now this buyer has to hold now. This is the level for the upside for today. Once he got taken out, then they will go back to revisit these level. Looks like a reversal now. Very strong, pushing lower. This is the moment of truth. If this guy can defend this level, then you should see some absorption at this level. Because that is the delta 3000. There's a lot of deltas happening at this level, 320. If we want to see one more leg up, we want to see something like this. Closing above this candle, 954, 954, 954, the 950 candle here, and then perhaps a retest. Maybe we don't get a retest, then we can go higher, but at the moment it's not. It's trading lower back to this level. Okay, back to him now. Usually you should see some bouncing reaction here. If it wants to cut through, it shouldn't just cut through like a butter, you know. If it really cutting through like a strong candle through that, then it's going to go very low, like right to these guys. See that reaction, first reaction. We don't know this one is it. Don't take this one as a reversal. This can be just a bounce. Don't do anything here. Don't try to anticipate this is a reversal or another, like the ICT 2022 model, because a lot of time this fair value gap will fail. Even see if you are trading an inversion fair value gap, you're in drawdown now, and then you are hoping that price won't come back to your stop loss. Now see that buyers are defending this level. Now we got these guys. Want to see a close? I'm pretty sure then we're heading to this box here, where the everyone was selling from yesterday. really strong pushing. See that? Completely taking out these sellers. We want to see closure. A closure has to be a closure, not a wick. A wick meaning someone still selling. Price is still hitting a passive sellers. You cannot see from here, but you can tell from the delta. These are bit, but price is not moving higher, so I mean this is ask, sorry. So price is not moving higher when price is try to lift the ask. So effort versus results. No result, no follow through. At least closing above these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubbles. Now this is looking weak now. Okay, one more buyers. 152. If price is not closing below here, meaning the accumulation is happening at this range. So once this accumulation is finished, and we should see a breakout to the upside and go for the previous day high. I want to see previous day high. Is it somewhere down there? Yeah, but it's still a bit far away. Perhaps this guys, this box here. Potential long here again. Oops. Oh man. We are fighting between this range, this volume area high, volume area low, and we have a point of control right here for this leg from the opening leg. Now one more time tapping here. Point of control, we want to see price staying above the point control to see some accumulation. Let's have a look at Nasdaq. Same as Nasdaq. One more buyer stepping in. either way, if we see some big bubbles coming at the low and price move away from them, meaning more sellers got trapped, or we want to see some big buyers appears at the bottom of the candle and price move away from them as well. Pushing up again. Still cannot get a good closing. This is a perfect example for Nasdaq. You see buyers, aggressive buyers here, push the price up and then retrace, and then they reload again and push it up. And then now try to reload again. They have to defend there. One more time. There's a low volume note here. Now they're testing this buyers again. He fails. He will switch. Aggressive selling. Yeah. Is he tweeting again? Yeah, that's it. Breaking news. No. Okay, I want to see buyers stepping back in, trying to defend this level. Same as Nasdaq. Back to these buyers. Huge volume, but no follow through, right? Okay, one more. 2, 3, 300. It's not a lot. It's not like one big 500 or 1000 like yesterday. Okay, back to VWAP. This guy got trapped now. Back to this seller's level. And more trap buyers at the top. Similar to yesterday price action, where opening just shoot up, shot up, take out some highs, trap some buyers at the top, and then reversal around 10 to 10:30. You see prices, they are fighting between the VWAP. Very strong push. Volume is not picking up though. You want to see like the volume matches the price action. Yep, coming. Okay. So simple setup is if we get a retest, then you should do like this. Because these guys are, this level is no longer buying level. Sometimes it doesn't do a retrace, it just collapse. Aggressive. I think it's going lower now. Yep. Push. Now yesterday price action really. Same trick. Yeah. Still want to see some retracement. The VWAP is the level to watch. Okay, no news. Trap buyers. You don't want to short it here to the value area low, because that's just like driving the car to the wall. You want to wait for price to either pull back and see the great absorption, and big buyers try to push and fail auction in the middle to look for a short. See the prices, you can reverse at any time. Buyer step in and then it will do this, and then it will go to the other way, stop you out, and then before you get you got stop out, and then after that it will move to your TP. So don't do that. Now back to this level, you want to see this 200 contract stay in this, price stay below this guy. If not, then it will come back up, and then these will attack, price will attack these, and then we'll go from there again. That Nasdaq, if you short at the low, you can stop out right away, because that is how many points? Almost 100 points. Okay, the price is moving higher, closing above these trap sellers. Strong push above VWAP. So if it's short, then we should see a big rejection to tell you, and some big sellers stepping in to tell you that, oh, we want to sell again. But now it's not that story. It's the other side of the story. Buyers gain control, forcing these sellers to buy. So this candle need to close strong. We can look for another long. Unless Trump come out and say something really stupid, you know. We're back to the same price action like the 940 during the 940. Same move, same situation. These buyers has to hold this level. Now we're back to this big buyers here. Oh, they need to show some interest of buying back. I want to see some big players popping their, the bubbles in. Now sellers, let's see him get trapped. So let's trap him. Yep, one more. Hitting this value area high. Like again, don't want to long here, like longing into a wall. We want to see some confirmation. Now it's coming sharply, dropping back to these buyers. Want to see some aggression, some commitment from the buyers. No, some more sellers. So if price is doing this and more sellers stepping in, then it's a reloading area for the seller. See? That's why we don't want to get caught up here, try to long this breakout. If this candle turns into the green candle, or this one closes bad. If it's a wick, then probably we end up here and then go higher. But now this one closed strong below these guys. This one move lower to the VWAP, and that's the shot to go lower. See how this candle closing below the VWAP. I want to see some big players. No, today we don't have big players stepping in. Like yesterday we have a lot. Today the biggest one is 574. That's all. The rest is just 170. Okay. Going lower. strong reaction here. Ooh, very strong reaction. Got stop out there. Again. Okay. Not a nice close. It's closing strong above the VWAP. It's going higher again. Closing back above. One more time selling. Maybe I'm just a bit too early. Yeah, I was a bit early. Ooh, 199. Come on, get through this, guys. No, still absorbing. Battle between the buyers and sellers. Okay. Something with the time is right. Now it's moving lower. See the closing here. Want to see closing below this big bubbles. Not big enough. Yep, coming up again. Buys stepping back in. Okay. Okay. Cover some losses. It's good. This big delta is here, stopping it to go higher. See that? And now this can be the short I was trying before, but I'm not shorting here. Need more confirmation. Yeah, look at that. Get back below this guy, 199, and I don't think they will be able to push price further higher again, and these will give up and then take out this low, maybe reversal from there. Need to see if this candle closing above the value area, then you look for retest to go long again. This as long as this price cannot pass this level, should cap the price lower. You don't see huge orders coming in. If you see some big, like 300, 400 or 500, then we can, you know, put our stop loss behind them. But now price is moving away from the VWAP and the point of control, so you don't want to short that. So it's breaking out of the value area high again. This is your initial balance range breakout. Can be a failed auction, so watch out. If this is a failed auction, you're looking at this. Going higher. Testing the value area high. Still think the London high, but to see how these sellers, if there's more sellers stepping in now, then they will cap price, because like the delta here push again. Strong push. Oh fuck. Come on. Buyers coming in. 95, 100. Very low volume. Buyers a trap. Again. Aggressive sell. It can snap back. So need to be careful here. Absorption. Got a green delta volume, but price is moving lower. See, if you're short, then it's annoying. Cannot close above these guys. Interesting. Got 1, 2, 3 here trapped. One more, this guy. Closing above, below. Don't want to see one more buy here. They can reload here. You see some big bubble here. Pop the price back up. They're still fighting to gain control. Sellers a trap, buyers a trap. You know, they all got trap. More buyers. The price not moving higher. Turning red. Closing below the VWAP. Oh. These guys are trapped now. Okay, the next one is him. More buyers level. Cannot defend this level. This is the last level. Excuse, got some buyers down here. See more aggressive buyer coming in. But yet again they cannot win the auction. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aggressive. These are market orders, remember. Just to let you know, this is not a limit order. This is like they cannot wait for their limit. So they jump in with a big market order. Oh, aggressive sellers. Go behind them. Nice push. Don't wake. Don't come back in the wick though, please. Come on, yes. Let's take out the guy at the low. Nah. Can do better. Yeah, you can do better than this. Still a wick. Damn it. Hate this. Painful though, this one. Was getting the money, but now back to good. Can't get past this. Some more question, please. No. Come on, yes. Come on, yes. Still hanging there. Maybe getting out here. Not sure. Break even. No, come on. Right, get out from there. It will go there, I think, but just not have enough strength. Yeah, look. Now it moves. Hit the target. Problem is this, I had the attempt there. This one, this evil wick stopped me out. Otherwise, I have no problem holding it. But as I took a loss there, and this one as well, so I have to manage position differently, you know. So now I'm good, not losing. Got a long here, short here. So can we get another one? Maybe not, because the price is kind of sloppy today. If it's sloppy, then you have to, your stop loss maybe wild. Your wide stop loss. This is going good. Nice. Should have my stop loss a little bit higher and let it play out. Nicely hit, target hit. I don't feel left out or anything, because as long as my way of reading it is on the right track, like these guys got absorbed, entered the short, stop loss behind them, was hoping this was this candle, but then it so back and forth. Now really good. This one is a nice trade. Spot on really. Next it can just keep going lower, depending is there any buyers want to come in. Because we got a low volume note, this level 65 level, it can go all the way down until we hit this, the Asia section, this overnight session where the buyers are active. Okay, see some buyers coming in, some buyers stepping in. If today is not a trending day, then it's a ranging day, meaning that price can be kept at this low and coming back all the way back to the VWAP and go from there again. So this has to hold, right? This seller has to reload, not letting any buyers to succeed, and push price even lower. See that these guys are trapped now, lower. Can aggressive orders coming in, see that? Boom. Right into this low volume low, right? See? Now price can do a mean reversal from here. But we need some contacts, not just trading patterns. We see trap, seller at the tip of the wick, more sellers up here. Why do I have two volume profile? Yeah, I have one for the from 9:30 the New York section, and one from the 6 p.m. overnight session till up until 9:30. So basically I split two sessions. One is the Gold Black section, one is the New York regular trading hour session. And on the right hand side, this is the delta volume profile. So only look at the deltas. Very aggressive selling. This can be exactly the same as yesterday. There's no turning back until market close. So this can be the top of the day, top of the section. If you want to short, then it's very risky. You have to put your stop loss behind these guys, really, and go for negative R, maybe get in and out. Nasdaq is, let's see, yep, going for this low. Don't try to long here, there's no point really. This move was spot on, but the execution is a bit not so good. So because I was trying to short this too early, I mean 20 minutes early. So that's something can journal and improve next time. Should wait until, I don't know, 10:30? Yeah. Because it was 26. I shouldn't take any trades before the 10:30 because that's the regular trading hour, hourly close. So I was entering right before the hourly close. The red and blue box are these according to these buyers and sellers. So I marked out these are dynamic, like this one. Now this guy's got trapped before. Now I marked it out and want to see if price can get back to that level and close above this. So then the buyer is not trapped. So if the price is like this, closing below, meaning this guy's trapped and these guys are trapped. And this red box is the sellers was dominating this sell leg. See, from here all the way down. So we don't want to do anything until price is reaching above them, meaning they are no longer dominating the price leg. So once price got above them, they either sit in their losses, or if they haven't, closed a position, which I think they won't because they are looking to sell and then price to go even lower. So once price closing above his position, he has to sit in a loss or close it to buy back. Then it will push price higher. Same as this. If these guys are these buyers are forcing them to get out. They have to sell their position, so they will push price even lower. Yeah, stack imbalance. I don't like too many. I want to do it by myself, so I got a touch of the, on the candlestick, and I know, because when I draw something, I remember. It's like I have like on the footprint, I have imbalanced line everywhere. You can, if it's the system doing for you, you sometimes you won't just miss this, because I learned this when I used to trade ICT for a long time, so I marked everything out by myself. I don't use any indicators, so I know my levels. I remember all the highs and lows, and all the key level is. So it's better to do that instead of just click on the indicator. There's so many, you can customize it, like so many different settings for motor wave. I just started to use it not very long, so the many function that I still don't know, but this is enough for me for now. Maybe in the future I will discover something new. You never know. And there's I think you can look up in Motive Wave YouTube channel. They have a full-on tutorial videos. There's so many of them, and if you don't know how to use it, you can just go onto their website, go onto their YouTube channel, and there's a lot of tutorial videos on it. Now, mean reversal. So we are not. I don't think we are in a ranging trending day. Maybe it's a ranging day. Back to the value area low. Buyer stepping in now. More like a fair auction at the low to me. This. Because price just tap the low volume node. If we can close, bring back inside the range, and then look for the mean reversal to point of control. 1,000 contracts there. This is big. So is this guy going to get absorbed, or he's going to dominate the auction? We don't know. Oh, I don't think he's gonna get absorbed though. Should need to wait. Somebody will really want to push, but can price push above him? No follow through. For a buy? What do you mean for a buy? This is a market buy order, yeah. 1,000 contracts. Somebody is buying here, but you need to wait until price showing you this guy is kind of dominating the auction. Otherwise, he will be the one that got absorbed, and you will see price drop very fast. It looks like he's gaining it, but I'm not sure. Still no follow through. Sometimes you will see a couple of these, then they will give you more confidence that it's going to that direction. He's having a hard time. Look, he's having a hard time try to dominate the auction, right? You see a lot of deltas here, and yet price is not. So now one more time. Okay, good. This is good sign. I tried this, don't like the way it opened though. There's no wick. Okay, this is now it's a new level of buying. Nasdaq doing the same, yep. Nasdaq is doing the same. Back above the VWAP. Okay. Now we have a level of sellers. Try to push it back down. We're hitting this recent selling levels. Price is dominating now. Very good. But that had no retracement, had not have enough time to think really. This candle was happening so fast. Okay, hit the seller again. Pushing back down. If these big players want to buy, perhaps price can come back and he will buy again. Sometimes we will see more bubbles pop up. If there's one, there will be two. Like yesterday, there were like two big bubbles before the sell all happened. Ideal is come back here, see more absorption, selling absorption, and then long. Now you can long here, but it's a bit more riskier. You have to put a stop loss right below here, which is kind of wide. Like 10 points is too much. See that? One more. But that was too high. That was on, at the top, right? How can you enter like that? Risky. Enter and then with your stop loss below him. It's kind of risky. It will snap back fast like that. Yeah, it's not possible to do that because sometimes you will see price is going to the way you're anticipating, but it won't give you any entry. That's trading, really. So most of the time you just read and learn. Now one more sellers here. So look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also 435. Big contracts here. It's a level. I mean, it's too wide. The stop is too wide. Now it's back to the point of control. Like I said, like the mean reversal from the value area low back to point of control and the VWAP. Everything start again. The whole auction need to start again because now we're back inside the fair value. Now traders are willing to trade here again, so more buyers and more sellers are going to step in here, and they have to do this, have to do the battle again, and depending who's gonna win. Now this big boys is trapped, right? 1,000 contracts, okay. And now this is the next one. So if both of them trap, then we are definitely going lower. Ooh, what's going on to my chart? We're definitely gonna go lower. Trap. I'll see how price is going to trap him or not. This can be a reloading area. You want to see price close with a long wick and go up. You don't want to see price close below here. Closing below here, add the 2 more big red bubbles, and then it is gonna go low, much lower. Long wick. Closing back above this second 1,000 contracts, then can long to the value area high. So we really need to see who's gonna win here. One more. No chance. These guys has no chance against this big buyers here. One more here. Close above point of control. Oh man, the spreads is too much. Spread it too much. Can't do anything about it. Should use a buy stop instead. No, I pressed the market buy button and then maybe I was a bit late. I don't know. See it come back down now. Maybe I was too late. Because I found the market button is kind of had a little bit delayed sometimes. I never use buy stop, but next time I should learn how to use a buy stop instead. See, I got the entry wasn't very bad. Yeah, I don't read the DOM, it's too fast for me. It's very crazy. Not good, this one. Not a good execution. Yeah, I know. Next time I'll place a buy stop right there. Now back below this. Really, let's have a look inside. Where are we? Here. Go. no good. This one is no good as well. Yeah, it's very chop. Let's see if these big guys can take us up there. If not, then that's all for today. As always, tomorrow we can come back. There's nothing need to be emotional about. Still struggling to get up. Really kind of we get this manipulation candle today. A couple of times when I try to short, it stopped me out first before I can go my way. You know, things happen. So once this body, candle can close above here, should have no problem to getting up here because of the size of these buyers. But we need to see because today is kind of very choppy. Look, come all the way back down now. See, you can hold. Kind of difficult today. Look, upon the controls, it's not holding it. Ooh, no good. Getting stopped out again. That's all. No more for today. And thanks for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And don't try to chase it. Okay. See you then. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button for me if you like it. I will see you. Bye.